warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Patricia binti Johari. As we know, food service is fast changing and evolving to customer requirement and customers' expectation. Our new concept restaurant, we will make sure to satisfy customer requirement and also their expectation. Type of service of our restaurant is casual dining. Our objective is provide high quality and standard meals to the customer. Our restaurant name is Focus. It is because it represents our traditional specialty from Focus in Peninsula Malaysia. In our restaurant, we will provide 6 popular menu from each course to the customers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainatul Kamalia Nur binti Masin. I will talk about the restaurant operation. Our restaurant will operate 6 days a week, which are from Tuesday until Sunday. We choose Monday as our off day because according to Steel 2015, Monday is the day that restaurant owner choose to reset their schedule, and typically it is the slowest day for the food industry for a week. For the seat turnover in our restaurant, we have 40 chair or 40 seat in our restaurant, so we estimate that we will reach until 80 customer per day, which are 2 turnover rate. The concept for our restaurant is casual dining. What is casual dining? Casual dining is a restaurant that laid back, comfortable, friendly ambience and have an affordable menu. It really suits the concept that we want to implement in our restaurant, because our restaurant will serve menu that many will afford it, rather than like fine dining that have much higher price and more upscale ambience. For the production approach, we use conventional and ready prepared service. For the conventional services, we use for our menu like rice, our lauk pauk. The restaurant will buy the raw ingredient and cook it in our restaurant. The ingredient will be kept in a storage at our restaurant. For the ready prepared service is being used for our kuih muih. We want to get the kuih muih from the authorized seller, from the local seller. At the same time, we can help the seller to sell their kuih muih at our restaurant.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazama Diha binti Abdul Aziz and I am from HM 2425BB. Firstly, I will talk about the target market. As we know, it is very important to make a research about who will become our target market. Focus restaurant location is in the center of Kuantan City. In here, we target office workers, teachers, family, group of friends, and married couples that working. They can be highly potential customer because they are busy and did not have time to cook. For group of friends and family, they usually go and eat outside when they want to hang out and they want to try something new. Next is the menu of our restaurant. Our restaurant serves traditional Malaysian cuisine. It is represent 4 coasts, which are West, East, North and South. The menus for West Coast are asam pedas ikan kari, rendang tok, laksa nyonya udang, nasi ambeng, kuih onde-onde, and keria. For East, we have ikan patih masak tempoyak, nasi kerabu, nasi tumpah, nasi dagang, puding raja, and kerabu mangga. While for North, we serve nasi kandar, nasi daging air asam, laksa Penang, pasembur, pulut mangga, and cucur Jawa. Lastly, for the South, we have soto, laksa Johor, mi bandung muar, daging masak salai, kolej kacang, and tahu bergedil. We also have many choices of beverages to quench your thirst. Let's move on to the menu pricing. To set proper menu price for any restaurant, food cost percentage is one of the most important principles to grasp. It indicates on how much the total revenue is expended on food and ingredients. Before setting the price for all the menus, it is crucial to know the cost of meals to prepare. To begin, we must determine the total cost per serving of the ingredients. For example, we have calculated the cost for our nasi dagang. We got RM1.16 for single nasi dagang that weighs 250 grams. When we add the other condiments, the total is RM2.50. After that is figure out food cost percentage and we get 38%. So, when nasi dagang cost is RM2.50, the menu price will be RM6.58. But when we use ideal food cost percentage, which is 31%, the menu price should be RM8.06. So, we can see that the lower food cost percentage, the higher the price of the menu will be.
My name is Siti Haja binti Zainal. Four Course is a family style dining restaurant and it can also be known as casual style dining. This is because we want Four Course become a place that can gather families, friends and colleagues who work at the same place. In Four Course, there are four parts that are being divided in dining room, which are East, West, South and North of Peninsula Malaysia. At East Coast, the decoration is batik pattern at the wall that been accompanied by the real wall that been hung at the wall. Meanwhile, at West Coast, the decoration is using a mural of Kota Famosa as wallpaper background, and the prop is a cannon that made by cardboard. At South Coast, the decoration is using the house of Minangkabau as the wallpaper background, and the prop is the figure of a person using kuda kepang. Lastly is at North Coast. At North side is been decorated by rice field as the wallpaper background, and the prop is a well that gives the picture of Perigi Masuri in Langkawi. At the outside also, Four Course is using cladding siding tent as wallpaper. Roofing tile Spanish for roof. Cinder block tile in dining room and with color in dining room. This is the Four Course 2D schematic design, while these are 3D design of Four Course. These are for toilets walker, locker room and surah for staffs. And these are the beverage area and workshop area. Workshop area is adjacent to the kitchen and dining room. Meanwhile, this is the kitchen of a restaurant. Walk-in chiller, walk-in cooler and dry storage is inside the kitchen. Reserving area is beside the kitchen area. This is because the staff can move food product easily. Meanwhile, this is the manager's office. Manager office is close to dining room. These are the customer toilet. There are two types of toilets here. One is for disability people and another one is for normal people. That is the holding area. Four Course holding area is adjacent with kitchen and dining room. This is East Coast, then East Coast is West Coast. There is a divider between both coasts. This is South Coast and this is North Coast. Lastly, this is the counter. The counter is close to the front door.
In kitchen, there are 9 equipment used, which are environmental gas, 2 ring, 2 rear pot cooking wood. Second is electrical rice cooker. Third is commercial blender with toggler and container. Third is bus chart with shelf, double bowl sink tables, and stainless steel work table by garbage bin, and 2-chamber natural gas wood range. For utilities, we have 3, which are stainless steel induction cookware. Second is stainless steel mixing bowl, and the last one is carbon steel wok. For receiving area, we have receiving scale, crane scale, polyethylene stackable, platform truck, and continuous handle. For locker, we have 2-tier locker and wall stool. For garbage house, we have mobile bin. For warewashing area, we have single tank conveyor, pack rack, flatware rack, glass rack, and sheet pan rack. Dry storage, walk-in chiller, and walk-in freezer, we have shelf kit and harvest bin. For beverages area, we have 4 equipment, which are stainless steel work table, hand-free sink, gallon plastic pitcher, and the last one is water filter. For holding area, we have digital heat and moisture control. Second is food counter pickup. For dining area, we have table set, aircon, booth chair, table, Lanchester table, and sitting alloy, wash basin, and the last one is mirror. At cashier counter, we have 2 equipment, which are L-shaped mobile cashier station. Second is Dasher post and cash register software. Office, we have office table, office chair, open shelf cabinet, computer, and printer.
For the conclusion, this subject for this project is really help us gain a lot of knowledge regarding how the concept for the restaurant, what is the important thing in layout, what is the suitable equipment for what type of restaurant. All of this will be the advantage of from us if we want to be a food service consultant in the future, or if we want to work in the food service industry. That's all from us. Thank you.